Hello, y'all. Look,
Hi.
look what the wind blew in. My bestie. And I got some. What is this? Some chocolate mint for her.
Chocolate mint.
Yeah, cause she's special in more ways than one, y'all.
Thank you.
Came by to visit me while I'm doing what I do.
I had to come by and check on her because she's been under the weather.
Yeah.
She didn't tell you guys that, but she's been under the weather.
No, I didn't tell them. I don't tell everything, but you done told on me.
But you're above the weather now.
I
so
am. I'm getting
It
there.
don't matter.
I'm
right?
getting better. I'm getting better.
You're getting a lot better.
Yeah, sure.
Look, that's why we outside
We outside,
with our
y'all.
masks.
Mine is in the house. Mine is in the house.
But you know what? I remember. Which one was your first flower bed?
These.
This was the first one.
Yep.
Okay.
Look, these two.
So I remember when you first started, and man, you are doing amazing.
I am trying. You didn't see my strawberries, did you?
I did.
Oh, you did?
Oh, you know, I've been all in everything. I've been eating mint and everything.
right.
I've been in everything.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get some of that garlic.
Okay. I
I'm
can
gonna
put
get
some
some of
down.
that garlic.
Yep. I need to cut it because
Are
I'll
you
do
sure?
that.
Can they see your garden?
No, they looking at you.
Don't look at me because I'm sitting down, relaxing.
Over there. I'm gonna go cut you some of that garlic.
Okay.
I'm trying to get her in the picture too. She don't want to be up in it, but she's going to because she's visiting. I'm so happy. Yeah.
You know
Finally
what?
got her over here. Oh my
You know
God.
what's sad?
What?
Let me tell you what's sad. I left my coffee in the car, but it's okay. What's sad is we live so close.
Absolutely.
But guess how many times I've been over here to visit my bestie, and guess how many times? Well, it's been Okay, I take that back.
Yeah, don't tell on yourself.
I take
Don't
that
tell
back.
on yourself.
We good. We talk every day.
That's right.
We talk every day.
And that's okay. Y'all see my gloves? You see my gloves? Look at that. Wish you had some, don't you?
You be doing all kinds of stuff.
All you gotta do is inquire. These are just multiple images that I had left over. That's all. Anywho, I'm going to cut some garlic
You
leaves.
don't waste nothing.
I don't waste stuff.
I appreciate that about you.
I do not. I want to throw these images away, these pieces of images.
So let me see. So let's see. Oh, and these are those texture gloves.
I'm going to take time to water yourself. And then,
Take time to water yourself.
Now, both of these were part of the clap fans that messed up.
Oh.
Yep. Or messed them up.
Okay,
So
so
I
I
saved
want some.
them. Okay. Put your orders in. That's what y'all do.
I'm not no ordering.
I didn't say you. I said y'all.
I'm okay.
Girl. Okay. She get ready to start, and I'm gonna get her. How much you want?
Oh, that's good.
That's all you want?
I don't want to. Okay, give me. Okay. See, she always asks me, how much do you want? And then when I say that's good,
Well, don't waste it now.
oh no. I don't waste it. Just give me what you want me to have. Or I'll go home and cut them up and dry them out.
Yep. You got a dehydrator?
Yeah, on my air fryer.
Oh, okay.
I don't have that fancy one like you got.
What is that fancy? You can have more than this if you want. I'm gonna go ahead and cut them all down.
This is good.
That's good.
This is
But
good.
while I'm at it, I might as well
Go ahead and finish it
chop
off.
them all down, so I can dehydrate mine. Or I don't dehydrate all of them. I chop them up and I put them in plastic containers and put them in the freezer, and save one in the refrigerator. And I use it in my salads or cooking. But then the other, if I have overage, then I put them in the freezer.
You know, I thought you took my mint back. I was like, what you doing? You mint that fast.
Why would I do that? I got so much over here.
I'm gonna sit it on the table. I'm gonna
Okay.
come over here and help you.
How you gonna hold it?
Yeah, I hold it. 'Cause I gotta go home and do some work too. I gotta cut those greens down.
Yeah, when I get those greens, I gotta water all this before it gets too hot. That's gonna be 83 today.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. 83 degrees, and it was what, 40 last week?
Yeah.
39,
Yeah.
38.
And then it got cool last night though. So I'm gonna water all these, and then I gotta go to the store. Water everything down before it gets hot. Yeah, these grow so fast. I just did this last week. So chop them all back down and let them continue.
Now, which one can I put? Can I put this in the ground? A
No.
couple of pieces?
No.
Okay, so I just put these garlic together.
Yes.
Okay.
In the soil.
In the-
In the soil. Is it mixed with things? Is it mixed with different types of
in the soil,
in the soil?
not the dirt.
Right. I'm trying to
Okay.
think of the word. Now I can't think. Brain part. Oh, right. Almost done. Almost done. And then whatever falls down in there, I let it stay down there for the pest.
These are big.
Yes.
These are really big.
Well, I'm probably gonna chop these up and freeze them. I have one in the refrigerator. A couple more.
You know that photo shoot I did of my little cousin
Yeah.
headshot? I'm gonna go ahead and make that a video.
Oh, that'd be
today.
nice. Okay.
I'm gonna go ahead.
That's cool. Now look, that's very good.
You know, I've been trying to get it like I want it.
All right, the haircut is done. The haircut is done.
Okay.
Look at my chives. I could cut those too, but I'm not.
Don't they have to get a little thicker?
No, that's them. I've been cutting them down. You can see. And then I cut all these off with two, and I dried those out. Flowers, chive flowers. I'm gonna make some.
What is that? Is that
A bee. One beat, and this other one didn't survive. It was over here.
Did you have those in your hydro or your?
Not hydro, but inside growing.
Okay.
And then I planted more beets over there.
What is this? That?
Not yet. I'm going to plant more beets.
Is this that?
No, I thought it was tomatoes. I don't know what it is. But when I did a video before, someone said tomatoes. I don't know what it is, so I'm letting it grow. I don't know. And that's my lemon basil, lemon balm.
Ooh.
Lemon balm, lemon basil.
Mine's not doing good.
No. No.
I'm gonna have to work on it. Or plant, just drop some more seeds
Yeah.
or something.
And this is from the hydroponic. I finally got some rosemary. Woo, woo, woo.
Ooh,
Yes.
smell
Yep, and then I dropped some other seeds in there. I don't know.
good.
Oh, I put some radishes in there.
You know it's gonna pick up the flavor.
I don't care. It'll be good then.
Okay.
It'll be good.
Okay.
I can leave this out. Okay, y'all. We gonna end this. I just want to come in and show y'all that my bestie stopped by, and I appreciate her. I gotta finish doing what I'm doing. I gotta fill these bird feeders.
What time is it?
10:06.
See, I stopped by at 9 in the morning to come visit my friend.
You see that face?
9. I
Whoa.
called her. I said, "What you doing?" I'm just getting it together. And I said, "Okay, well, I'm on my way." And she said, "Oh."
I said, come through.
Then she said, "Come through," after 3 O's.
She lying. Pull out.
I am. But I'm here.
About time. Oh, let me stop. Anywho, I gotta fill the bird feeders and feed the squirrels and stuff like that, and then water this garden real good and chit chat a little bit. Things y'all don't need to hear
Yes.
with my bestie. And
Yes.
peace and love. We'll see ya. Bye. She don't want me to hug her because I'm sick. I'm gonna hug her like this.
Let's fan. Okay.
We out in the air in the elements. Toodles. Peace and love, y'all.